So one of the things that we do here at Legendary that sets us apart from other places, we're not just looking at, hey, does the coolant look clean? We're actually testing the coolant, both for protection level for heat and for, extreme cold, but we're also checking the pH and acidity level of the coolant. Because the engine is aluminum, both the cylinder head and the block are both aluminum, and the more acidic the coolant, the more damage it can do over time. This is good. So this Jeep checks out. So it's very important, again, to make sure that the antifreeze is good and that there are no leaks and there are no restrictions in the cooling system, especially in these JKs, because you can end up needing a motor really quickly if your cooling system is not performing up to snuff. Hope that helped.